Amada HA-400. Wrap it down, hit the rapid advance flag and go into feed. We're just summing it up with some wood for now. We got a few things we're going to fix before we let it go. We haven't even finished cleaning it, but just wanted to show that it's a complete running machine. Feeding forward, you see the rear vise, clamping, coming down, cutting the next piece. The rear vise going back. Full automatic cycle, not too loud considering it's running the blade dry. Need the blade brush, that's missing. Like I said, a few other things, and we haven't even started the cleaning. Thanks for watching.